Hello, my name is Shruti Jain. I am from the Data and AI team. Today I'll demonstrating Azure Data Factory and its role in the data pipeline. First, I collected raw data from multiple sources. This raw data was not in a format suitable for direct analysis. Next, I used Azure Data Factory to create automated data pipelines. These pipelines helped in ingesting the data from different sources and performing data cleaning tasks like removing duplicates and handling missing values. After cleaning the data, I applied required transformations in Azure Data Factory to convert the raw data into a structured and meaningful format. Once the data was transformed, it was stored in a data warehouse for further analysis. Finally, the processed data is used by data analysis to build dashboards through Power BI. Business users can view these dashboards to gain insights and make data-driven decisions.